Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes, boss.
Boss, are you getting the picture?
Yes, we are.
What picture are you getting?
We are getting the
MRI.
MRI.
Yeah.
Okay. Now see the MRI on both, compare on both sides. She presented to an ophthalmologist with proptosis, And he must have consulted somewhere and started antibiotics. And now she has been on antibiotics for last 10 days.
Okay.
Now look at the MRI picture on both sides. See the orbit, superior-medial part.
Yes.
Inflammation.
Yeah.
And there is isolated frontal sinusitis. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes.
See the condition of the orbit. She had proptosis. She had, completely chemosis, proptosis, inflammation, and painful eye. So, I will show you this one, the axial. See the condition of this eye and this eye.
Yes.
Lot of inflammation in the intracorneal part as well.
Yes.
Lot of preseptal cellulitis. See this orbital cellulitis?
Yeah.
And the reason is the isolated frontal sinusitis, this one. Okay, give me the CT scan. Now the same patients. Yeah, the same patient CT scan. Our goal is to treat the isolated frontal sinusitis. So once again, I take this opportunity to invite Sunday. Sunday will be starting 10 o'clock or so with the stay peace session.
Okay, Chief.
See this?
Yeah.
This is ethmoids and this is frontal sinus. See this? Which is see, this is looking like some osteoma.
Osteoma, yeah, exactly.
Yes.
I was wondering.
Is there any communication with the orbit in this case?
It is not always a rent in the orbital wall.
Inflammatory.
Mostly through the hematogenous or lymphogenic route. It is not always a continuous through and through rent and infection.
It's an osteoma, boss.
Yeah.
Looks like.
Yeah.
Osteoma involving the beak and this thing, I think. The posterior table as well.
Yeah, somewhere. Let's see. I will see the 3D view to give me exact location of the osteoma.
The big osteoma.
Yeah, but it is below the level of the frontal beak.
Yeah.
The ethmoid
It's getting attached posterior
Just to the
also.
agar.
Anterior
Just
to
next.
also.
Yeah, just attached to the agar.
I am just waiting for all the files to open so that there's still 400 files left. See, without having a dynamic CT scan on, CT.
You cannot go to the place.
See, this is osteoma.
Yeah.
Let's see where the osteoma is. Seal all planes. Hello.
Yes.
This is in the frontal recess region.
Yeah.
Some bony hyperosteosis or osteoma, whatever. This is purely in the frontal recess. This may be a cause for the obliteration of the frontal outflow. See this?
Yeah, I get it.
Completely obliterated, almost. Let's see. Oh, stylus rakhna.
It has an attachment anteriorly, laterally, and posteriorly also.
Yeah, it's favorable. It's favorable. It doesn't look like attached to the skull base. It may be
Yeah.
at this place.
Yeah.
Major attachment is on the anterior wall.
Yeah.
See this?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's see. We may need a little bit of drilling. So, let's start.
What's the plan, boss? Lothrop.
See, we have to drain the frontal sinus. We have to widen the frontal outflow. So we have to work in frontal recess. If this is osteoma or some bony thing, we have to remove it to give a wide drainage.
Yes.
To
Your
prevent
approach, you will plan Lothrop, boss, in this case.
If warrants, if I think that I need to give a little more drainage, I may do a draft 2B. That will be intraoperative decision. But my prime goal is to achieve good frontal and ethmoidal clearance.
Yes.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल शेटी लग रहा है. Hello.
Yes, boss.
Yes, we can hear you.
So, are you getting endoscopic picture now?
Yeah, we
Yes,
are.
yes.
See now here. That is our region, area of interest.
Yes.
Is there a history of surgery? I think you said in this case.
Not really.
Okay, this is a fresh case.
Yeah. But he has been on antibiotics for 10 days.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, looks like you'll find the osteoma right under that bulge.
Yeah, could be.
Because the bulla is quite enlarged, that area.
This is just simple application of adrenaline.
Yeah.
This is your uncinate.
Uncinate.
That is your bulla. See this uncinate.
Yeah.
Merocell, once more.
So,
See, we don't inject. I tell you, we never inject. So this is just topical.
so looking at the mucosa, we can feel that it was a little infected previously.
Yeah, it looks infected.
Yeah, sir.
I can anticipate little more oozing.
More bleed.
Yeah, more.
Yes, sir.
So now anybody, if you are doing neck surgery or anywhere, If you find a rent in the carotid, you can suture it without having any fear. Big bite. Hello?
Beauty was that continuous irrigation was the main plus point, was the main point where you can, somebody was irrigating over there and you were suturing it.
Yeah, continuous irrigation, low grade suction and
irrigation is important, suction is important.
It was a big treat from you, boss, for today's case. Big tumor, carotid rent, and everything that we can expect. Great case.
The bigger award should go to somebody who was snoring at that time when everybody was sitting with bated breath.
Deepak sir?
Yes, boss.
Shetty lag rahe ho, Shetty.
Down of the.
See this uncinate? I'm going up with a red 40.
Yeah.
That is the osteoma.
Yes, right there. Yeah.
See, my prediction was right. It's right under the mucosa.
I told you this is below the level of the beak.
Yes.
That was quite evident in all three planes. So we are right on the target. See this?
Yeah, very
Yes.
much.
This is bulla now I am removing. And see, this is the orbital wall.
Yeah.
See how it is inflamed.
Yes.
The only one tool working, that is micro debrider so far.
Right.
I didn't change any single instrument. Posteriorly, we don't have to do anything. Our area of interest is here only.
Yes.
See that?
Yeah, very good.
This is our orbital wall.
Yes.
Yes.
This is our osteoma. Chisel. Debrider. So, soon we are going to be through.
Yes.
The only man on this planet who can start the case at 11:40 is this madman from Jaipur.
You remember your theater.
Yeah, we started a angiofibroma at 1:10 in the night and finished at 4 o'clock in the morning.
At your place.
And you took the flight to Jaipur after that.
See this osteoma coming?
Yeah.
Very nice.
That was the thing which was blocking, giving us frontal sinusitis. See this?
Yeah, wonderful.
Everything so far is with 0. Now give me 70. 70 to finish off. That's it. Yeah. Debrider. See the pus.
Yeah.
Debrider. Give me debrider straight away. Give me 120 now. $120. See now, I am entering into the frontal. Can you see?
Yes. And we can see something inside also.
Yes.
Fungus or
you see this pus, purulent discharge.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because of osteoma, I think.
Articulated. I will remove this wall with a punch a little bit. Widen it. Articulated. See this wall. This wall.
Yeah.
This is our articulated punch. Debrider. And now wash. Fast, man. धीरे मत चलो यार. See, that is the interior of the frontal sinus.
Wonderful.
And this is the supraorbital cell,
Sir.
which may be the culprit in giving her
Yes.
orbital issues. See, the cell wall is open.
Yeah.
The recess completely open. This one.
Yes.
What is supraorbital recess?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it was the combination of the osteoma and the supraorbital cell.
Okay, there laga ke. Now I will get a wash and it is done. Wash, wash. See, the pathology is treated. You know.
Yeah.
And
Absolutely.
quite an interesting case, such an isolated disease with just a small osteoma
Yes.
and frontal sinus involvement, not
We'll
very
keep-
common.
We'll keep having such variety of cases. There are sinuses variety.
See, the osteoma came out moment you entered. It knew you are going to find it, and the sinus opened immediately. So,
That is over here. 0 degree. Straight. Divider, 0 degree.
Osteoma knew that he was going to find it at exact 11:45.
exactly, yes. That's what I was.
In Deepak sir's language, 11:45 p.m.
So that is the final picture going to be. Did they, yaar? Straight. Just 1 minute. A little bit of this. Did they?
Wash kar sakte hain.
Yeah. This little bit of the mucosal work. So this patient will not develop any future sinusitis. See this?
Yes.
That's it.
I think one more case is left, angiofibroma.
See this? One more we can show. We'll keep next time that intracranial angiofibroma.
Yeah.
So this is done. You disconnect kar dena. So finally, any questions before we call it a day?
Primarily means a frontal sinus disease. So what besides this screening, you want to put any stent, anything? For
Not
this
really. See, now such patients, if you follow them with saline irrigation, some days with proper debridement cleaning, and this is not a mucosal disease which is going to give neoosteogenesis or frontal, that happens in eosinophilic disease. So this is not going to give any problem.
And you find isolated frontal quite often. Isolated sphenoid is generally secondary to fungus. That's what we have seen.
Yeah.
But isolated frontal,
even we see in our eye hospital. I see quite a few patients like that. They come to the eye department and then they are referred. Isolated frontal sinus.
Isolated
In fact, even
can come.
vision loss, everything, great proptosis, big frontal sinus system, benign, not involving any other sinus. We see quite strange.
Yes, isolated frontal disease is not uncommon.
And they keep visiting an eye surgeon for years. One eye operated for 10 years. She was visiting an eye surgeon and the eye was completely out. I think probably I would have sent the photos.
And you must be getting such amazing cases because you have a huge eye center there.
Eye hospital. They are referred from eye only.
Yeah. So, any more questions? Rajiv boss?
I'm doing Paramita's job. He was on the way actually.
Paramita, I think, has slept.
No, some issue. Some issue with the net actually. So I think questions are almost over.
So
And
before we conclude, I would like to thank Nishi Madam, Sandeep Karmarkar boss for making, sparing your valuable time and it took you your entire evening,
pleasure was
Big thanks
completely
to
ours.
Deepak sir, Rajiv,
4 p.m.
Abdullah, you keep coming, please.
Sure, boss.
Deepak sir, thank you. Your blessings are always important.
Hey, who is blessing whom? You are my teacher. I'm your student. You have to
Oh,
bless
no, sir.
me.
And 3 cheers to Rajiv boss, who is
Yeah,
the
yeah, of course, of
You know,
course.
Yeah,
Of course.
commendable, yes.
person behind this entire thing.
Thank you,
Usko,
Rajiv Kapila, Venus there, and Madam.
Thanks to Venus.
Madam.
and उसको राजीव को तो पूरी रात तेरी आवाज ही गूंजती होगी नींद में भी.
Finally,
We had a great time when I was in Jaipur. You know,
Yeah.
he's from SMS only.
Yes.
We used to have a good time when he was there.
Okay.
you have to disclose the energy levels from where do you get energy levels now?
The cases only give him energy. This carotid, I'm sure, gave him a lot of energy.
All this.
Fabulous. Superb.
Thank you.
Fantastic. We really enjoyed. I didn't know I'll stay on for that long.
Mr. Burman is there? I think he's on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's a sign there. I'm there. On behalf of Sun Pharma, my heartful thanks to all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Big
very
thanks
much.
to Sun Pharma, sir.
Thank you,
Once
sir.
again,
Thank
thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Boss, for
Thank
the
you.
And see you all on Sunday morning.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
boss.
sir.
Bye,
Chalo,
bye.
thank,
Sir.
night. Bye.
thank you, Rajiv.
Thank you.
Satish was great.
Thank
Superb.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sorry.